Hi, I'm Craig with ApplianceVideo.com, and today we're going to show you how to test out this GE oven broil element. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. You will need a multimeter for component testing. Now this element is a true monster. It actually has two broil elements in one. You can see one goes around the outside and the other one goes to the inside. Now generally when these are bad, it'll put on quite the fireworks show inside your oven and make you nervous. You might even pull out the firework extinguisher. If you want to test this thing out, obviously if it's broken, it'll need to be replaced. As far as testing, it's rather easy. You use an ohm meter, put it on ohms. I'm going to use an audible tone. Now like I said, you have two elements in one. You have the outside element and the inside element, so either one can go bad. What you want to do is test the outside element first, do the two outside terminals, test that for ohms. It's going to read around 80 ohms. Go ahead and test the other one. So it's reading 20 ohms. As you can see, the audible tone is not always accurate on this. So the audible tone worked for the inside, but not on the outside. So make sure you pay attention to your ohm meter to see if it has a reading. You can also test for voltage going to the actual element. If it's your control board, you will not have to replace this, but if you do have a break in the line and your ohm readings are off, it will need to be replaced. If you need a technician to replace it, make sure you give them a call. And this will conclude this segment on this broil element. I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.